The Go Straight Intelligent Robot, built by 4 students of Orange County American High School Beijing campus, won the Gold Medal and Best Teamwork Award globally. They showcased Meigau's whole-person education through reconstructing the robot with industrial-grade standards. The hardware group achieved mechanical accuracy with an innovative upside-down grasping system using 3D printing rail iteration and photoelectric sensing. The SmartoVision AI system, developed by the software group at the 0.1 mm level, achieves millisecond-level target recognition through 8,000 image training. It seamlessly combines the expertise of Mr. Su and Mr. Hu, teaching directors of automatic control and deep learning algorithms, enabling perfect timing coupling between photoelectric sensing and motion control. This Gold Award team, in the makerspace, 22 design versions confirm the educational philosophy of science and technology for whole-person development. This reflects Jujuan International's concept. True education shines through problem solving. Let's see Orange County's young makers reach new heights in integrating science, technology, and humanities.